Yeah.
So more fluffier, more volume. So if you're someone that does not like the volume, don't touch your hair. But if you do want the volume, I would take it and go to the root. You never want to tease at the bottoms because that's where all your precious curls are. All right, y'all. So I do have my best friend here with me today, and we're gonna be installing. Oh, you did. Come on.
Y'all know the vibes. Sometimes when you're with your best friend, you can't help but laugh, smile, and giggle. So yeah, we're gonna stick to the voiceover for now. I will be installing a Kinky curly half wig from ISEE Hair. This is my first time trying the viral braid gel hack. Like, I like for it to look like it's coming out of my scalp. With this Kinky curly texture, I feel like it will be very close to my hair. So why not go ahead and see if it'll blend? And y'all, it did just that. If you want less leave out, you can always leave less leave out. But because I like to do half up, half downs, I like to do my flip overs both ways with some of my hair showing, I'm gonna leave out about an inch of leave out, but you can also leave less hair and it'll still give you the most perfect flip over look. Once I get my leave out parted out, I go ahead and braid it out of the way. Y'all, this can also be a style with the half wig, with braiding your front and then literally installing the wig. My conditioner of choice right now is Garnet Fruit Tease, y'all. It's cheap, it smells good, and it works. Okay, so I like to apply that throughout my natural hair, and I'll also be using this to style the half wig when it comes to defining those curls. When it comes to a half wig, it does come with a comb in the middle near each ear tab and one in the back. And one thing special that I love about this half wig, it also comes with an adjustable strap in the back, so it feels so secure, y'all. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a low ponytail to install because my hair density will allow me to do so. This is a look of the drawstring in the back, y'all. You literally drawstring it, like pull it to make it tighter, and it's the most secure fit I've ever felt on a wig. To get the curls defined, I'm gonna go ahead and brush the hair out because I wanted to see how big and voluminous this hair gets. And then I'm gonna go in with some water, my Garnet Fruit Tease conditioner, and a little bit of the Lotta Body foam mousse to get those curls defined. And I was having like a hair date with my best friend, so we was just in there chit-chatting, giving each other hair tips while I installed this half wig like it was growing out of my scalp. So shout out to ISEE Hair, y'all. All the information on this hair will be down below. I love this half wig real bad, y'all. And if you want to see more lifestyle pictures and videos of it, go ahead and check out my TikTok. I will have more videos there as well as a YouTube short, so just keep a lookout for this half wig because ISEE Hair definitely comes with the quality, and the construction of this wig is also A1. So I'm gonna let y'all vibe out while I define my natural hair to match this wig. Go ahead and keep on watching because I will come back to you guys to give you a few tips and inside tricks that I do for this half wig, and I'll see you in a few.
Grab you some braiding gel, people. Braid gel is the secret. So I'm a left side flipper. You're a right side flipper.
It looks so good.
And then sometimes for me, a hack, if my hair isn't fully defined how I want it, you can disguise it in the hair. And then that's it. Now we sit here Stiff wear. We need a new saying for curly hair. People be like bobs, stiff wear, curls.
We're gonna work on that one.
And now you see, the more I tease it, it's starting to get bigger.
Yeah.
So more fluffier, more volume. So if you're someone that does not like the volume, don't touch your hair.
Well, I'm not gonna touch it tonight.
That's what she said. But if you do want the volume, literally, if I sit here and I keep teasing my hair, Morgan has a great comb for teasing. I would take it and go to the root. You never want to tease at the bottoms because that's where all your precious curls are, at the bottom. So if you do want big, voluptuous, voluminous, is it voluptuous or voluminous?
Voluminous.
Voluminous hair.
Voluptuous is also a word, though.
Would you want your curls to be voluminous or voluptuous?
Both. Juicy and volume.
What we call that? Vusi?
Vusi.
Juicy and volume, vusi?
Vusi.
What would be the other way? Juicy.
Volume.
Volume. But yeah, I think that's it. Friends said we're gonna come back to y'all with like a day or two, 3-day update. So I'm gonna catch y'all on day 2 or 3.